Bitcoin Cash may decline 8.6% tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. According to the latest chart, Bitcoin Cash has dropped 0.4% and is near $458.20. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. CoinCodex believes the move could reach $460.45 by March 2, marking a price gain near 0.5%. CoinDataFlow expects Bitcoin Cash to retreat to $443.83, a projected drop of about 3.1%. 30 Rates points out it might fall to $435, roughly 5.1% lower than now. A different outlook from Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin Cash could sink to $418.74, a decrease estimated near 8.6%. Finally, Traders Union calls for a move to $408.90 by tomorrow, 10.8% off current value. This is the most profitable forecast we've seen in this lineup. All forecasts are now in. Let's move ahead. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decrease of 10.8% to an increase of 0.5%. Therefore, Traders Union stands out with the highest projected return with 10.8% gain in value by tomorrow. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $5 and $108 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, CoinCodex's forecast comes out on top with a 92.9% chance of success. By pulling the forecast together, I've set out a consensus scenario. Consensus estimates indicate Bitcoin Cash trading near $433.38. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus view highlights a 5.4% fall in price. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $54 more. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for Bitcoin Cash is estimated near 53.1%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. According to CoinCodex, the price path is set to rise. CoinDataFlow anticipates downward movement in the near term. The outlook from additionally 30 Rates shows the price drifting lower. Likewise, Crypto Predictions forecasts Bitcoin Cash moving lower. Also, Traders Union anticipates Bitcoin Cash heading south. All forecasts merged together show a bearish scenario, with Bitcoin Cash moving downward. So, 80% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Bitcoin Cash. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. As a result, the price ended the day at $457.50. The outcome showed that just a minority got the market's direction correct. If accuracy decides, then 30 Rates was the most on point. Let's move on to the breakdown. Only a single forecast matched the boundaries of yesterday's candle. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and digital coin price came out on top with 5.8%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. Digital coin price reported $21.98 accuracy, while forecast probability was 92.9% and ROI 5.8%. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Bitcoin Cash and a few selected assets. Bitcoin Cash remains in the leading spot with a forecasted profit rate of 5.4%. For now, this view includes Bitcoin Cash and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview and complete analyst stats will soon appear on my website and Telegram. If you want to stay ahead and never miss the next important forecast, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.